What's going on, guys? Clayton coming at you again from Two-Way Direct. Today we're going to do a quick video about how to disinfect your radio. Now all you really need for it is going to be a Clorox wipe. What you want to do is make sure to squeeze it out, that way there's not going to be a ton of moisture on it. You don't want your radio to be dripping when you're done. You also want to make sure that all the accessory ports are closed, because regardless of what you're going to be using, you don't want fluid to get in here. You can gently wipe down your radio, taking care to make sure that you hit all the pertinent points that are going to be in heavy use and contact. Now the same thing goes with accessories. Not a soaking wet Lysol wipe. You just take it and do it for all pertinent points. If you want to take a look at any of our stock, visit our website at www.twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. We are still open for you, and we are right there with you. We're in this together, guys.